Hey, hello guys, this is Srinivas, the developer from the developer channel. Today we are going to solve the SKIDMARK daily challenge of 6 September 2021. Here this is the problem they have given, function form integer from digits. So in this problem they have given input like comma separated integer values which includes both positive and negative. We just need to combine or concat all those values into a single integer, and we just need to put a negative sign according to the occurrence of negative symbols. Here the negative sign occurs only one time, which is nothing but the odd time, so we just need to put negative here. Here in this case it just occurred 1 2 3 4, which is nothing but even times, so negative and negative get cancelled, so we got a whole positive number. Likewise, we just need to solve the problem. So let's solve this in a programmatical way. And sadly, we don't have Python today. We are getting only C. So here this is the function they have declared as a main. Inside this form integer from digit function, we just need to return a long integer value which will contains the concatenated integer value. So for that I'm specifying long int, and my variable is k. K is nothing but a concatenate value, and I'm getting some more values like flag just equal to f. C is nothing but number of digits equal to 1, and temp equal to 0. That's all. So I just need to make a loop for int I equal to 0, I smaller than str len of str I plus plus. So inside that we will get all those values, right? So we just need to combine all those values with respect to comma, because if they have negative sign, it's a 2-digit value, right? So we can't able to make something like if this is in 0th position, if this is in 1 position, like just like that. Str of I is equal to comma. So we just need to make the combination, right? K star equal to digits, and this digit will have the count like 10,000, like that, according to the temp number. And finally we just need to add k plus equal to temp. We just need to make them to default after the updation. Digits equal to 1 and temp equal to 0 again. So in the else part we just need to make the condition digits star equal to 10. So for each and every digit it will increment by 1 digit, right? And temp equal to temp into 10 plus str of I minus 0. This is for typecasting. So we are getting a character, right? So to typecast the character to integer, we just need to decrement the character by the minimum character, which is nothing but 0. So if I do that, finally return k. So if we save and run this, gcc main.c,
run.
Now we got 1 2 3. since we can either add update the str value like str of strlen equal to comma str of strlen equal to null value like that, or else we can update the thing inside if condition after the for loop. Come on, I'll just. So if I do that, 1 2 3 4, now we got 1 2 3 4, right? But this is not working properly. If I include negative values, -1 2 3 4, we are getting something random, right? This is because we are typecasting the negative symbol into integer, so it will give some another values, right? So to get rid of that, if str of I not equal to negative sign, we can go for it. So -1 2 3 4, we are getting 1 2 3 4, but we should get -1 2 3 4, right? So for that, instead of not equal to, I'm specifying equal to, and inside this I'm just updating the flag value by -1. This is in else block. And finally we just need to return f star k. That's why I have missed. Is it that naming convention? Nothing else. gcc main.c, and I'm executing my program with the value 0 0 0 comma 0 comma -1 2 3 4. We are getting -1 2 3 4, and 0 comma 0 comma 1 -2 -3 4, we are getting positive 1 2 3 4. But since it will work fine, we have used the proper type and we have returned the values according to the negative and positive occurrence. That's it for today's video, guys. Here, this is the code for you. Hope you like and enjoy this video. See you soon with something else tomorrow. Until then, bye.